make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will come through and chill.
Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, backyard day. Welcome to my channel. We have another wig from Sensational, and we have her in the style Antonia. Here's the stock card, really cute. Excuse my nose. And it actually comes in different colors where they have like it's called peekaboo. So like it's like in the back, like you know how Nicki Minaj used to do, you know, back in the day with the pink in the back, like over here in this section right here. To be honest, it's not my style, so I just went ahead and got me a number 1. I like when I had a little it's just good for some So if you'd like to know how I got it to this point, which is literally like 5 seconds, make sure to keep watching. Pretty much like I said, very easily. Just put it on and then use my wand curl and my wand. I just used my wand to like flatten the top because I saw that it was a little humpy. I'll start with what I think about this wig. I love it so much. One thing about me is I need a nice bang wig. You get me, like, because that's literally what I put on whenever I don't feel like doing my hair. Like whenever you see me with a bang, most likely 9 times out of 10, 9.5 out of 10 is because I did not feel like doing my hair. So when I still wanted to look decent, you just pop it on your head and you're good to go. Okay, the texture of this wig is yucky, and that's another reason why I like it. It looks very, very natural. I'm gonna get real close for you guys so you guys can see. You can see the texture. I'm gonna get into my pros and my cons. Do I even have a con for this wig? Honestly, I don't really like bang wigs that come with like that no part thing, like where it's like a mushroom. It doesn't look as natural as possible. I feel like it would look a lot more natural if it had like a little lace part, you know, in the middle or whatever. Maybe like a little fake part would have been nice, but yeah, that's the only con I have for this wig. My pros. All right, let's get to these pros, baby, because I told you I love this wig. I love that it's yucky. I love that it's long. It's mad long. If it's longer than what you would prefer, just cut it, you know what I mean? But the girl like me who like it down to the yeah, it's perfect. I love the bangs. The bangs are not too full. Does it tangle? Does it shed? Tangling? No, it doesn't tangle at all. This is my 3rd one. I bought 4 and this is the 3rd one I'm wearing. Does it shed? No, this wig does not shed at all. Like, it does not shed at all. And then honestly, what I'm gonna do is when this one gets old, I'm gonna cut it. I'm thinking like a nice little bob. Ooh, that'll be so cute. A bob. Oh yeah, we doing a bob. Is it big head friendly? I'll say yeah, it's big head friendly. I'll say so. It doesn't really hit my ears, my sideburns. It doesn't hit my sideburns, but that's okay because it's a bang wig. It's not like that part is actually showing. I think it's cute. What do you think? I got this wig from Samsbeauty and I got it for a total of, it was $18.99. So get you one real cheap, less than 20, you feel me? Even if you just want to try it out, see what it looks like on you, I think it's worth it. Yeah, this wig is definitely gonna be seen again. This is a reoccurring purchase. You know what I'm saying? I think that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Okay? Just make sure you subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe to me. Just go ahead. I'll see you in my next one.